David Hockney, a British artist known for his vibrant and colourful works, has led an extraordinary life that greatly influenced his artistic creations. Born in Bradford, England in 1937, Hockney discovered his passion for art at a young age. In the 1960s, Hockney moved to Los Angeles, immersing himself in the glamorous and vibrant lifestyle of the city. It was here that he found inspiration for some of his most iconic pieces. Take, for example, Beverly Hills Housewife, a bold and striking acrylic painting that captures the essence of the glamorous women of the time. Hockney's use of vivid colors and exaggerated features perfectly depicts the extravagance and allure that defined the era. Another notable work from this period is the Ballroom, Santa Cruz. Here, Hockney depicts a lively and energetic scene, drawing inspiration from the bustling dance halls and vibrant nightlife that filled the city during that time. Through his use of loose brushstrokes and dynamic composition, Hockney conveys the excitement and movement of the dancers, inviting us to join in their joyous celebration. Hockney also explored the theme of domesticity in his art, as seen in works such as Beverly Hills Housewife, Pencil and Crayon, and Study for the Room, Tarzana. These pieces shed light on the role of women in society and the pursuit of the American dream, using Hockney's signature style of bold lines and vibrant colors to capture the essence of suburban life in Southern California. One of Hockney's most renowned works from this period is A Bigger Splash. Using a combination of techniques, such as stenciling and spray paint, Hockney created a captivating depiction of a swimming pool with a splash. The painting captures both the tranquility and energy of a sun-soaked afternoon, inviting the viewer to dive into the refreshing waters. Hockney's exploration of different mediums is evident in works like Still Life, Lithograph, editions Alecto, and illustrations for 14 poems. Through lithography and illustration, Hockney adds depth and dimension to his subjects, offering a fresh perspective on everyday objects and themes. David Hockney's experiences and influences have played a crucial role in shaping his unique artistic voice. From the glamour of Beverly Hills to the vibrancy of the California lifestyle, he has captured the essence of a moment in time. Through his use of bold colors, dynamic compositions, and experimentation with mediums, Hockney has created a body of work that continues to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide.